Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford F150 alternator. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. First, disconnect the negative battery cable from your truck's battery to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. Next, gather all your essential tools, including various wrenches, a ratchet, and a serpentine belt tool. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you start working on any components. This preparation ensures a safe and smooth replacement process. Now that you're prepared, let's remove the old alternator. Begin by locating the serpentine belt tensioner and using your tool to loosen it, then carefully slip the belt off the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect all electrical connectors and the main battery cable attached to the alternator. Finally, unbolt the alternator's mounting bolts. There are typically 2 or 3 bolts. Once they are out, you can carefully maneuver and remove the old alternator from its position. With the old alternator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new alternator into its bracket and secure it by reinserting and tightening the mounting bolts. Ensure they are snug. Next, reconnect all the electrical connectors and the main battery cable to the new alternator, making sure each connection is firm. Finally, route the serpentine belt back over all the pulleys, using the tensioner tool to create slack, then release it to apply tension. You're almost done. Before starting your truck, take a moment to double-check all electrical connections to ensure they are secure and that the serpentine belt is correctly seated on all pulleys. Once everything looks good, reconnect the negative battery cable to your truck's battery. Now, start your engine. The charging system warning light on your dashboard should turn off, indicating your new alternator is working properly. Congratulations on a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.